You do an activity and then a lot of times there can be a delayed effect. So you don't feel it right away, but the next day or 2 days later, it just hits you. You get T-boned by these symptoms. And this was a sign that I always told myself I screwed up big time here. I felt like I was crashing every time I experienced that. I didn't know what was going on. I was obviously feeling other symptoms as well, but this specific symptom, this wet cement feeling, was one of the most uncomfortable feelings that I could remember. And I don't really hear doctors talk about it because when I would describe this feeling to them, I didn't even know how to describe it. This is a term that I heard once I recovered. It was actually from one of our coaches. Shout out to Coach Krista. She was the one who mentioned that she had this wet cement feeling. And I was like, wait a minute, I know exactly what that feeling is like. And so if you are dealing with that symptom, just know this is actually quite common with a lot of people in CFS. I haven't heard it talked about too much, but I have heard it mentioned here and there. And it's essentially a symptom of the hypersensitive nervous system, which is why it's not there all the time.